Hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about how to check your Chase 524th status. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. To get a Chase credit card, you must have less than 5 credit card approvals in the last 24 months. This is known as the Chase 524ths rule. So how do you know if you fall within this threshold? There is no official Chase 524ths calculator, but you can determine your status by looking at your credit report. Here's how to get your report via the Experian Credit Bureau. First, launch the Experian mobile app and sign in. Tap on Credit at the bottom of the screen, then select View Report, go to Accounts and sort them from new to old. Add up all the personal credit cards that were approved within the last 24 months. Determine your score out of 5, and that is your Chase 524th status. In addition to Experian, you can access your credit report from other bureaus like Credit Karma. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can know your Chase 524th status. Thanks for watching, and until next time.